Hi guys, today I'm going to show you 3 ways to free up your C drive space in Windows 10 11. Let's start.
First, set up Windows Storage Sense. Press Windows plus I to open setting. Press the Storage menu. Press Storage Sense. Turn on Automatic User Content Cleanup. Set Run Storage Sense to Every Day. Also, set the Delete Files in My Recycle Bin to every 1 day. After that, run Storage Sense now. Second, using Windows Clean Manager. Press Windows plus R to open Run command. Type clean mgr and press Enter. Select your C drive and press OK. And click Clean up System Files. Click again OK. After that, press OK. And click Delete Files. Last, delete Windows temporary files. Press Windows plus R and type temp. And then, press Ctrl plus A and Shift Delete. Press Yes. Tick the Do this for all current items. And click Skip. Open Run command. Type %temp %. And then press Ctrl plus A and Shift Delete. Click Yes. Click Skip. Tick the Do this for all current items and click Skip. Last, press Windows plus R again. Type Prefetch. Click Continue. And then press Ctrl plus A and Shift Delete. Click Yes. Now your PC is more faster and clean. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.